We need to talk about the crypto market and Bitcoin. In this video, we're going to be doing some technical analysis. There are some things that I need to share with you regarding Bitcoin that you need to pay attention to. Before we get into the video, if you guys love cryptos and you love these videos, make sure you just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications on. So if we take a look at Bitcoin, we are starting to find some resistance. So we've had a nice push up, but as you can see, Bitcoin has been kind of consolidating, trying to push up here the past day, and we are finding a bit of resistance. So I'm thinking Bitcoin's probably going to pull back to this region here around 107. From this region here, I do expect Bitcoin, most likely, we need to see the reaction, but Bitcoin should find some support, and I do think that we are going to probably travel up and retest the $117,000 region. We see there is a lot of shorts stacked up around the $114,000 region. So I think Bitcoin is ultimately, maybe we pull back a little bit, but I think we're going to take out this liquidity here around 114,000. So I think this level will eventually be tested. If we take a look at the depth ratio in the order books, we can see that there are some sells stacking above price. So there are some limit sell orders on Binance. That is an indication of some sell pressure right now in the immediate short term. So this is kind of what I'm thinking. We maybe pull back a little bit, retest this 114,000 region, and we're going to see the reaction at this level. This does line up with a lot of resistance. And if you look at this support here, you see this key support. This would kind of line up with that region, and we could get a back test and reject here, and then we could eventually maybe hit our $92,000 price target. So just level to level for now. I think the next two levels are 114,000, but the more likely level to retest is going to be around 107,000. So we're going to look at the rejection here. And looking at the reaction, is there going to be some buyers stepping in at this level? And if so, we're probably going to be bouncing up and testing this $114,000, $115,000 region. We do have Fed rate cuts coming very, very soon. And ultimately, that is going to be a bullish event that will inject liquidity into the markets. And I think by the time November kicks around, which that second round of rate cuts as of late is going to kick in, and that's probably going to bring some new liquidity into the markets. Taking a look at the S&P 500, we've had a nice squeeze, a nice bounce recently. That is a bullish sign to see, but is this just a dead cat bounce? Are we going to reject again? If the S&P 500 rolls over and starts to retest these lows again, it's probably very likely that cryptos are likely to start correcting. And if the S&P 500 continues to roll over even further, it's also very likely that stocks and crypto equities, they're going to fall down together and correct. We're going to enter into some type of correction. After that correction, it's probably going to be a buying the dip opportunity, a nice bounce to be played. So we're going to keep eyes on the market. If the S&P 500 continues to push up further, we should also expect cryptos to continue higher. So these are a couple of things that we can look forward to. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.